the Goan boy, 17-year-old Yash Phate.
अभिनव बिंद्रा, पी गोपीचंद आणि राहुल द्रविड सारखे लेजंडांच्या संकल्पनेतल्यान सुरू जाल्ले गो स्पोर्ट्स फाउंडेशनाचे स्टार्स ऑफ टुमॉरोत वास्कोचो 17 वर्सांचो स्क्वॉश प्लेयर यश फडतेची निवड जाल्ल्यान यशाकूच न्हय तर पुराय राज्याच्या स्पोर्ट्स हौशी लोकांक उर्बा मेळ्ळ्या. यशाच्या फुडाराक पेजात सपोर्ट आतां मेळटलो आनी ताचे आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्क्वॉश स्टार जावपाच्या स्वप्नाक आतां नेट मेळ्ळा.
I'm delighted to have signed a contract with Go Sports Foundation. This my association with Go Sports Foundation is going to play an essential role in my life. The Go Sports Foundation, they don't only provide financial support, but they also provide support from all aspects such as mentoring, physiotherapy, and everything. The athlete just has to name it, they'll get it done. And I've already started working with John Gloucester, who is one of the top physios in India. And I feel this association will be a very key role in my life.
जरी ताका जाय तितली मजत सरकारा कडच्यान मेळ्ळी ना, आतां मात गो स्पोर्ट्स फाउंडेशना वरवीं यशाचे प्रयत्नाक फळ मेळ्ळां हें खरें.
I look up to Jahangir Khan and Jamshed Khan, the squash legends, because I feel even they came from a very small town just like me, and they never had the facilities to train, and the way they became great legends of the sport is truly amazing.
Bureau Report, Prudent.